In an exclusive interview to India Today, former Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot has claimed that he stands vindicated in his 18-month-long fight for honour. In his first interview after making up with the Congress party at Gandhi family's direct mediation, Pilot has said that there was no link with the BJP to this rebellion. He has hit out at Chief Minister Gehlot, who has been constantly claiming that BJP has a role to play, saying that it is easy to blame the BJP and close eyes to the real issues of contention here. Explaining the reason behind his month-long rebellion, Pilot said that he was constantly ignored and even booked for sedition. He also said that the Chief Minister was hardly talking to him or giving him any weightage to those loyal to the party. Pilot referred to the Nikamma and Nikara drives by Chief Minister Gehlot and said that he was deeply hurt, yet kept on waging his battle for principle and prestige.
Because the narrative is that the BJP was sponsoring you and these 18 MLAs. The narrative is the BJP was sponsoring you and these other 18 MLAs who are waiting for your numbers to increase to 30, 35 to topple the government.
No. I know the numbers better than you, Rajdeep. I have worked to make those numbers. I know each and every MLA in our party and otherwise. So please be very clear about this. It's very easy to allege. It's very easy to create a narrative. But let's speak on facts and where we are today. The day we came to Delhi, I made a statement about remaining in this party, which I have helped form the government in Rajasthan. All of our MLAs didn't speak, or I spoke a word against the Congress party, its leadership, or even the government, because I was a part of the government. The issue was about certain things that were happening within the government and the leadership style of the Chief Minister. And I think it's not illegal, immoral, anti-national or anti-party to raise grievances about what we thought was wrong. And that was the whole idea. But the response coming from Jaipur became so acrimonious.
But you could have sat in Jaipur and done that.
And languages that
you could have sat in Jaipur and done that.
Well,
you could have sat in Jaipur, Mr. Pilot, and done that. You could have met the Congress leadership and done that. Instead, you all were all cooped up in hotels.
अरे भाई, जब जयपुर की लीडरशिप नहीं कर रही है रिस्पॉन्ड, तो क्या करेंगे आप? पिछले 18 महीने में जब मुख्यमंत्री खुद बोल रहे हैं कि हमसे बात ही नहीं हुई है, then what is the response left for us to look at? So people responsible for that communication, people responsible in the party to get that party government dialogue going, were obviously ineffective. So after 18 months, and this is not something I have said, the CM himself has said. So I think when I was working as president of the party in opposition, I was a fine person, I had all the qualities that one would desire. And suddenly when we are in government, I have become the repository of all the ill in the world that you could gather. So I think there's a bit prejudice to have said that. However, I still maintain that you have to have dignity of discourse in public life. You have to choose words very carefully. I stand by my convictions and principles and my commitment to work for the people, irrespective of whether I'm in position or not. And I have made no demands to the party to give me something. I just want issues of my MLAs and party workers who have really worked hard, Rajdeep, for 5 years. I think they deserve that space, that self-respect and dignity to be able to deliver to people they promised. If you can't work for the people, if you can't deliver on promises, then what good is being in government? Whatever words he may have used, it deeply hurt me, but I chose not to respond to it because I think two wrongs don't make a right. I want to be above that. I want to make it about issues and principles, not about persons and personalities. I think it doesn't work like that in politics.
Anand Patel is now joining us for the very latest on this. Anand, so the BJP angle is completely ruled out in this whole saga.
Yes, this is what Sachin Pilot is claiming. But when this entire drama was unfolding in Jaipur, there were allegations from the party within. Remember the press conferences in which the Congress spokespersons used to always remind that Sachin Pilot camp, his MLAs are sitting in the lap of the BJP, in the BJP-run hotels, in the custody of the BJP and protected by the Haryana police, which is a BJP-ruled state. So it remains to be seen as to what party says on that. Sachin Pilot is, of course, denying, and he's been reiterating that right from day one. He didn't say a word against the party. He didn't say a word against the party leadership. He kept saying that he is within the Congress party and he is fighting for his rights. Whatever injustice was done to him and his MLAs, they were denied their rights. They were sidelined. They were not given adequate powers within the government. So all these grievances were there with which he had come to Delhi. He couldn't get them resolved in Jaipur, so he had come to the headquarters of the Congress party at the national capital to speak to the National Party leaders. So clearly he's maintaining that stand. But yes, the fact remains is that Gehlot has managed to survive this crisis. He's stood tall. He's managed to keep the flock of the MLAs together, be it in Jaipur or then shifting them to Jaisalmer. And yes, he has come out strong.
That's right, Anand.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.